Welcome to the Bible Virtuosity course, where you will be given all the tools necessary to read the Bible daily, read with greater understanding, and read for personal growth. My name's Mike, and I'll be guiding you in this course. I started to read the Bible daily over 15 years ago, and it's been the most significant step of personal development I've made. What kind of impact did it have? Well, many, but I can recall it helping me tremendously when I was making a career change. Gave me wisdom on how to deal with different kinds of people in the workplace. And coming from a divorced home, ways that I could be a good husband and father. Most of all, though, the Bible reading has helped me develop character, to make wise moves, to withstand temptations, and to overall live the kind of life that I can be proud of. As a habit, I read the Bible all the way through once per year. It never grows old because there's so much to be learned. I find that the reading is always relevant and it's helpful, and it can be for you too. I designed this course with anyone who does not have a daily habit of Bible reading and wants to see themselves be more consistent and get more out of it. This course is perfect for someone who's new to the Bible or who has not made daily Bible reading a habit. By the end of this course, students will have all the tools, the know-how, hands-on practice reading the Bible for understanding and growth. I promise you won't be bored because each lesson is short, to the point, and you'll see improvement each day. My goal is to help you read without me, so I'll share things that are simple and that I've learned along the way. I love to see everyday people find confidence reading the Bible and finding direction for their lives. I've trained church leaders and husbands and wives, young adults, retired individuals with this important life skill. Now, this course has two main sections. First, you'll do some preparation work, teaching you the method and helping you select the necessary tools. Then the meat of the course is a 24-day reading challenge, working through an entire book of the Bible, Luke, where you'll read the story of Jesus from start to finish. I think you're going to love this, and I'm looking forward to walking with you.